Okay, welcome to Sigstore Community Meeting for November 28th. Feel free to add your names if you're joining. I'm going to guest chair since Hayden is on a work trip that he couldn't join. So it looks like we actually have a pretty light agenda today. No updates for Recor, Full Seal, or Cosign. Anyone on those projects, leading those projects, have any updates? I don't think anyone's here for those. And nothing for client libraries. I don't see anyone from the normal group for the client libraries. I can speak for the public good. We don't have any public updates right now. We're mainly doing some behind the scenes updates. And then, towards the end of the year, we're probably not going to be pushing out a lot of changes other than library and code updates to keep everything running. And it looks like someone can speak for the docs. Didn't get to see who added that.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm Lisa. For folks who don't know, I maintain the Sigstore docs. For those who maybe were not aware, we did a Google season of docs with the Sigstore docs this year, and I just wanted to let folks know that there is a case study that we put together. Patrick Smith and I, who is the technical writer who is working on the docs. So I invite you to read that if you're interested. And that's going to be ramping down in December. So for those of you who may have interacted with Patrick, he's going to complete his work for this season of docs that we've had going on since about, I think, May. So he's not here. He just had a new addition to his family. So congrats to Patrick, and are very happy for him, and we want to celebrate his work, but I will let him know that we're all thankful for that.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. I know there was a lot of great work that came out of the docs project. Big change. And that seems to be it for this week. Other notes are obviously that after Christmas, we're going to cancel that community meeting, Boxing Day for some people in other parts of the world. So I think we'll have, I hadn't checked the calendar, probably two more maybe before that. Yeah, I guess if there's nothing else, we'll open the floor. If anyone's new to the project and would like to introduce themselves, feel free.
My name is Ahmed. I'm from Leatrio. We've been kind of in the space for a bit. We're currently with one of our clients. We've been trying to navigate some of the, I guess, recent changes with things like the introduction of the DSSE type in Cosign and Recor. Previously when we kind of did our first POC a while back, maybe a year ago, all of our data was stored in Recor. So when we did our kind of like validations and stuff, that's how we did our validations, right? You kind of verify your attestations and you can write policy around that and stuff. But yeah, recently there was a shift towards the DSSE type. We found out we're basically using Recor incorrectly. Really, we're involved in the community. You've probably seen some of our PRs and stuff like that. But we're trying to make sure that we're kind of headed in the right direction. You'll probably see our faces pretty often in going forward, just to make sure we're following the direction of the community. I have a few of my colleagues here, Ian and Chris. So it's a little bit about us.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And thanks for contributing back. Appreciate it. Anyone else new to the community? Well, if there's nothing else, then thanks for joining, and we will see you at the next meeting.